Hello, hello. This is Pat with Petresca Papers. I just had a thought. I am going to be traveling later this week, and I wanted to make sure that I worked in my dimensional junk journal. So I just said, let's go. And it's a gorgeous day here. It is 64 degrees in September, and I'm just over the moon, and it's not going to get into the 90s, and I think we've got low humidity, so it's perfect. Before I address what I'm going to do, I want to say welcome. I want to say, if you are a new person finding my channel, welcome. I hope that you like what you see. I have lots of freebies. I will link that below. Make sure you click the more, and then it drops down a whole description and links. There's not a freebie specific for today. The freebie is the idea, and the idea is inspired by my new fave, which is Hither and Jan's studio. I will link her studio below so that you can check her out. And I also want to say, if you're one of my subscribers, welcome back. Always. And I just appreciate everything that you say and that you watch. When you go to my coffee shop and you donate to keep my little business running. My business? Oh, I don't think it even can be called that. But my hobby, I guess. Anyway, thank you so much for all you do. It really is amazing. And when I do freebies, it's a gift. It's a gift to you. Okay, are we ready? I mean, this is going to be short. So, this is my dimensional journal. There's a playlist. I will link that below. We're going to work on one of these covers of the signature, and I think this is the one I'm gonna no, I think it's this one. This is the one I'm gonna do. And this, just if you're wondering, this is avocado stained with a stencil put over it. And I did it outside. I mentioned this before, there's like a magic that happens when you use this coffee or avocado stain. I'm really struggling for words here. I really did just run out of the house. And it just does such an amazing thing. Anyway, let me put this aside. This is what we're going to make. This is the prototype. Okay, and I have to look at it. This is a square. I think it doesn't matter if it's a square or not. So I'm going to cut off my edges on both of these papers. And these are just some papers that I had pulled. No, there's no blue. Can you even believe it? I'm transitioning into some warmer colors. Let me cut these white edges off and just say, I hope everyone is well, everyone is happy, everyone is feeling creative. So I'm traveling to see my friend Tracy. Last week, I traveled to see my friend Sandy in Las Vegas. And no, I didn't. And if you know about Las Vegas, you know what I'm talking about. But no, I didn't. I think I could have an addiction if I did that. Or I'd be very poor. So I went and saw her and her cute little grandson named Rex. Cutest baby. I mean, I had cute babies, but I don't know. He may be the cutest. He may just be the cutest. And then I'm going to go see my friend Tracy. Hi, Tracy. She is in Denver. We're going to have high tea at the tea room in Elizabeth, Colorado. It's not an easy place to get a reservation, and I fortunately got ahead and did an online request, and they said, come Saturday. Yay! Okay. Here we go. I'm like, what do I do? Now, these are double-sided with a lined paper. So I think that I'm going to do this. I'm going to fold this down. I want some, this will be a flap on the back side. So I'm going to fold that down. I'm just playing, guys. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. And then this is going to come up like that. Okay. I'm just approximating this little, I'm going to fold that over, and I think that I'm going to glue that down. Do I do it now? No, wait. Okay, and then this is going to be folded right on that fold there. Okay. I don't even know what to call this. I guess it's a page wraparound. I've done wraparounds before. This is a little different. Okay, and so to install it, don't I sound professional? This is going to go like that. Oh, I like it. I like it. So you have, let me get something. So we have a pocket here. This will be a pocket. And then we're going to flip this over. We've got some journaling spots. This will be a pocket, and this will flip open. And then all this can be journaled. There could be another pocket there. Okay. Let's install it. I'm going to do 2 of these because it's so quick. All right. I'm going to glue this down. Look, my glue came out. It's always a good day when that happens. All right. Oh, you know what I didn't do? Okay, stop. Stop the presses. You know, I didn't do it, and I need to. Where are they? Where is it? There it is. I've got to. You guys, I'm so sorry. I have to. I mean, it's like there's a rule. Okay, what did I do with my, what is that? That's the one. I used that. I used the pinky for my last project. Okay, so we're gonna, I'm sorry, I will fast forward through all this. Oh, you know how to do this. I might even talk and let you hear my silly little chipmunk voice. Okay. I need to do that there. Here. I'm not sure what shows and what doesn't show. I'm pretty sure some of this shows. Okay, so it's going to go there. There. Along the top. Because once this gets stuck down, I can't imagine it will be easy to distress. Okay. Here we go. Let's re-glue this down. Okay, like that. You will go there. Now, is that really where I want it? Let's look and see. You know what? I think I'm going to put you there. I'm going to put this one on that other. Okay. So, to install it, I am going to have it on the page that I want it, and it's going to be glued along here. Oh, and along there. I don't know if I need, I think I do. I think I need just a little glue right down there. I hope that's not a mistake. All right, it's going to glue down just like that. So, oh, and I forgot, there's another little pocket right here that a small tag could go in. Like, do I have a small tag somewhere? Do I? What have I got? Yeah. Is that small enough? No. No. But a small tag could go there. Or just not. So this goes like that. That goes like that. You flip this open, and then you have, oh, you know what? I went all the way across that bottom. Did someone yell at me? What are you doing, Pat? Yes, I did do that. And it's below. I put it below. That's okay. It looks like an edge there. So this will go, this, I think I do want this closed up. Okay, we'll get it right next time. Oh, my goodness, will you fit there? Yes, you do. Once that's glued. Okay, we'll come back and visit you because we're going to jump here. All right, let's do it again. And I have to have my little cheat sheet. Okay, let's do it. So, again, because I've got one side that is rather plain, I'm going to fold onto it. So I'm going to, this is going to have a bigger flap on that back side. Okay, like that. Okay, right here we will do some distressing along here. And we're going to fold this up like that. Fold that back on itself like that. It's just a titch of distress there along this bottom edge, all the way along. I think I did I? Yes, I did. And then along there. And I think along there. Okay. So now, so we've folded this down. We have folded the bottom up. This gets folded in the back. And then we're going to fold right along there. Right, like that. Let's give that just a little distress along there. Okay, let's make sure this fits. All of a sudden I'm just like, whoa, it may not fit because we used that. Yeah, see that? That doesn't fit, but I think we can see the easy fix. It's just to cut it right there. So I think I will glue this down first and then trim it to fit. Just like that. How much do I need to trim off? How much trim off do I need? About that much. Okay, scissors. Just like that. A little distress. Let's just double check. That's perfect. All right, so let's be smart this time. And actually, I think I was smart last time, but I think because I glued it like that, this glued onto that. So, okay, so I feel vindicated somewhat. here we go. I'm going to glue right on there. And along here. And right down there. And make sure we're up on that edge. Right now. I did better this time. I'm going to make this a pocket. Just like that. So that, have that. That opens. You can put, that needs another pocket. Got that sitting right there. Why not? Why not? Why not? And then I can put a label or something else on it. So let's just do it. Since this is a very short video, and I do think I need a thumb notch. Let's do this. Let's see if we can get it in the middle ish. Okay, and then glue this down, that down, and that gives it a little, this will give it a little weight, which I think it'll be a good thing. It'll keep it closed a little better. Come on, get over there just a little bit. Next to that edge. There we go. Okay, so this will, that can tuck in there. And another one. Do I have another one? Yes. Can tuck there. These are index cards that I did one day when I was doing a bunch of dyeing. That's there, and that'll fit right in there, like that. Like that. Okay, that's it. What do you think? Please leave me a comment. This is like the easiest thing. No? You can use a square, you can use a rectangle. When you do a square, you're going to have a smaller fold around, but fold down that corner, fold it up, glue that down, fold it, and slide it on and glue it in. All right. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. This is probably one of the easiest things I've done, and by no means does it have to be done. You can put some pretty paper there. You can put pretty paper there. I'm just thinking, I think some labels and different things would be fun. No. I'm going to let you go. You can figure that out. And next time I see you, there will be a freebie. So come back and see me. Hey, take care. Bye-bye.